I'm Kumar Shivdasani. I'm the medical director at Cure Laser and Skin. And we're here with Sarah, who's going to have her CoolSculpting treatment done with us today.
Hi, my name is Sarah Lovely, and I am really excited to be trying my CoolSculpting treatment today. I'm 52 years old, and I have this stubborn belly fat that I have tried very hard to get rid of on my own, and a friend recommended Dr. Kumar to me, and so I thought I would give it a try.
What kinds of things have you tried so far, Sarah, to get rid of this stubborn fat?
Yeah, well, I eat really well. I eat very clean, and I'm pretty good with the foods that I choose. I exercise 5 to 6 days a week, and I do a lot of sit-ups, but I just can't get that area that seems to be super stubborn.
So you're doing pretty much what most people do to try and trim down their waist or trim down any sort of areas of fat that they're trying to get rid of. And despite these things, many people are still challenged. And so they come to they get CoolSculpting done.
Yeah, well, I'm really hopeful. And I'm wondering if you could explain to me maybe a little bit of how does it work? Like, how does this magic work with my stubborn fat?
It kind of is magic. What happens is it's a natural phenomenon of the human body that fat, when it gets cold, it starts to break down. And this is a phenomenon noted by scientists a number of years ago in a couple of different situations. They noticed that people that were horseback riding in the wintertime in upstate New York, they found that those, especially women, they found that their inner thighs were becoming toned down. They had a little bit of fat that was breaking down. And they found that little kids that were sucking on popsicles, when the inside of the cheek got cold, the little bit of the fat that was there started to break down as well. So they started looking into this more closely, and through some studies, the technology for CoolSculpting was devised. Yeah.
Amazing, that's so cool. I have another question about that. How long will my results last? Like, do you think I'm going to need to come back every year, or what?
So when the cold penetrates down to the fat cells start breaking down. It takes a number of weeks for the body to gradually remove all this through your lymphatic system, and it's just excreted out. Once the fat cells are destroyed, they're gone forever. They don't come back. The fat cells that remain, they can still fill up with more fat, but the ones that are destroyed, they're gone forever.
Wow, that is good news. And I'm wondering, as far as how is it uncomfortable? What's the pain level like?
It's quite comfortable, actually. Most people, when they come to get a treatment done, they'll sit and watch Netflix, or they'll talk on the phone or answer email. I find a lot of people, they're coming just to get an afternoon away from, just get a timeout. They just come in and just lie down and just take it easy. The older technology used to be a little bit more uncomfortable. You could actually feel the cold penetrate through, and it was very distracting. The newer technology, the newer applicators are extremely comfortable. When I've had a treatment done a few months ago with the newer technology, I kept having to check with my staff to see if it was even on, but it was quite comfortable. Yeah.
Oh, that's great news. And what about downtime? When will I be able to return to work and my regular exercise routine?
You can get back to your exercise routine right away. People come during their lunch hour. They'll come and then go right back to work afterwards. You can go to the gym right after. When I had my first treatment done, I saw patients right after my treatment, and then I went to my hot yoga class in the evening. Unlike, say, liposuction or surgery, where you're going to be wearing compression garments, you're going to be lying in bed, you're not going to be able to move or do anything for a number of weeks. Yeah.
Amazing. Well, I am really, really, really excited about trying this, and I can't wait to get started. Thank you. Thank you for answering all my questions so nicely.
No trouble. I'm really excited for you to try this out.